Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start with the essentials. Open Roblox Studio and load the avatar you'll convert to a Milestone for JSON. Make sure the avatar importer and obj/fbx plugins are installed so you can bring in custom parts. These let you keep proportions accurate. Once done, back up the avatar as a versioned file so you can revert. Then export the head and body meshes you'll modify. This first action gets the editable assets ready and prevents wasted steps later. Now you reshape and texture. Import the mesh into the editor and scale head and torso to Milestone 4 proportions, keeping joint origins intact so animations won't break. After that, bring in texture maps, face, scars, clothing layers, and carefully place alpha channels for any torn or translucent areas. Next, rig the mesh to R15 or your custom skeleton, rebake skin weights, and run the animation tester to ensure movement looks natural. If limbs deform, tweak weights and joint placement until finish by optimizing and validating. Decimate overly dense polygons and combine small parts to reduce draw calls, then export and upload the avatar package to Roblox with correct metadata. Test in Studio play across devices to confirm collision, animations, and accessory fits. If you see animation pops or mismatched poses, reopen the rig, verify bone naming and mapping, and fix weight painting. Mismatched scale or flipped axes often cause issues. After corrections,
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.